Hey, how you doing? It's been such a long time. I promised you guys cooking, I promised you entertainment, and I promised you beauty. So today I'm bringing beauty to your TV or to your phone or wherever you're watching me from. I'm bringing that to you, and I hope you will enjoy it. If you don't and there's something else you want me to do, please reach out to me on my social media handles and I will do just that for you. Yeah, so keep watching if you want to achieve this look. And hey, so the first thing I'm going to do is to base my face with the Kiko Hydrating Lotion. I'm just going to put a small amount on my forehead. Oh, and then spread it across my face and keep rubbing it in until it dries. I am going to go in with my simple revitalizing eye roll just for under my eyes. Tap with my fingers and I will leave that to dry. And to prime my face, I'm going to use my Kiko face primer. I'm not going to use too much, just a little pump. Only because I sweat on my nose quite a lot. Well, I don't sweat, it just gets really shiny. And my chin. And I'm going to do my forehead. It feels so smooth. I actually love this primer. So it gives a little sting to your face, but I don't think you should worry about it. So yeah. And voila, that's it. And there you go. My eyebrows are done. Let's move on with my foundation. Before I do my foundation, I conceal my dark circles. Okie dokes. And before my foundation, I'm just going to spray my setting spray. It smells amazing. I'm going to use my MAC Prolong Wear foundation. This is actually discontinued, but I bought 2 foundations before they took it off the market. And I'm using my Real Technique brush. I'm just gonna take some of the one off my forehead for my upper lip. I'm so sorry if you can see anything up my nose. I'm sorry guys. What actually takes long for me when I'm doing makeup is the foundation, because I need to make sure it's in the right places. I don't want to look patchy, I don't want to look rough. The base is very important, because if your foundation isn't steady and is a building, it's going to come crashing down. So you need to make sure your foundation is on point. Bam, bam, push. Okie dokes. So that is done. And this is just, I could actually just go out like this because I'm wearing Vaseline on my lips. I can actually just go out like this in the nighttime. In the daytime, no way. Okay, so once that is done, I am going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer again to highlight my face. So I'm just going to use my dark Nars concealer that I used for my eyebrows. So this is it. And I am going to go in with my brush, but first things first, spray it. Okay. How's that looking so far? So far, so good. So when that is done, I'm just going to go in on the bridge of my nose. Today I'm going to use my Juvia powder for the first time ever. I've been using Sasha for such a long time, so I'm going to use my Juvia setting powder. I'm using the, I don't know if it's pronounced Gobi. Gobi is a bit darker. First, just here. And bring it into my face. And I'm going to do the same for here. Now I'm gonna go in on the parts I highlighted with the e.l.f. concealer. I'm using the Kalahari. Yeah. And finally, my nose. Okay, so now that I'm leaving this to set, I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. I'm someone that prefers very subtle eyeshadow. I don't know why. I always go for subtle eyeshadow, especially when I'm wearing blonde hair. I don't want to look too much. You blend the concealer I used earlier. Just go over with the brush again. Use my Zaran eyeshadow palette. I'm using this color in June. Just take a bit on my brush and start off with that as my base. Earth is actually one of my favorite palettes. I'm now going to use my brush and put a bit of this dark one into my crease. Okay, and with one of my eyeshadow brush from Beauty Bay, I'm just going to go in with my concealer. And I'm going to do the same for here. I'm just going to use one of my flat brush. Yes, I'll be using my Afrique eyeshadow palette from Juvia Place. I'll be using this color, Cameroon, on my base. And I'm just going to go over the eyeshadow with this color in Kissy. This is just to tone down the orange. Okay, once I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'll be using my Collection Fast Stroke eyeliner. I got this from Superdrug. It was like £3. So I am gonna go back in with my Dune eyeshadow. Just gonna go under my eye. And I'm using my Kiko black pencil, and I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes. How am I looking, guys? Okie dokes. So that's it done. I am going to go in and put on my, usually I would dust off my face and put on my eyelashes, but today I feel like doing it this way. Put mascara on my eyelashes, and I'm using the Kiko Ultra Tech Volume and Definition Mascara. So I'm just gonna put a little on there. Going to. My tweezer. I'm just gonna go in and stick the eyelash like so. And that's it. Once it dries up, the glue will disappear, and once it dries up, I'll put it into place. Okay, so I did the other eyelash off cam, and I'm going to dust off my setting powder. So I've used this to take off the powder, and I'm just going to use one of my bigger brush. I can still see a line here, but not to worry, we are going to fix it. So I'm using my Sleek 3-in-1 contour kit in medium, and I'm just coming into my face like so. And I'm doing the same for here. And with my Revolution Bacon Blot in Deep Dark, I am going to go back in. Okay, so now that it's done, I am going to set my whole face with my Bourjois bronzing powder. This is my favorite powder. I think it's somehow discontinued, but they might sell it on Amazon as well. In 52, it works on everybody's face. Light skin, dark skin, brown skinned. It works on everybody's face and smells like chocolate. So I'm just going to use my brush, just take as much as I can and go over my face with it. And voila, I'm done. No, I'm not. I'm not done. I need to obviously highlight my face. I need to put mascara under my eyelashes. So I'm just gonna do that really fast for you. I don't want us to go too long. Do you know doing under eyelashes actually changes your face? I never used to like it because I had very shaky hands when I was younger, but now it's very steady. So I'm just going to finish off by setting my face with Kiko Makeup Fixer and Kiko Prime and Fix. Kiko needs to make me their ambassador because I use Kiko every single day. Come on, Kiko, come on. So first of all, I'm gonna start with the Prime and Fix. Whew. And this one. Ooh la la. And one of my favorite part of the makeup is to highlight my face. And I love this highlighter. This highlighter is amazing. I've had it for so long. It's the Makeup Addiction Cosmetic loose highlighting powder in Bronzified. It's amazing, amazing. Okay. So I don't even use this part. I use the lid. Unless I'm really trying to, you know, overly highlight my face. So I'm going to use my Morphe brush and spray a little bit. And start off by... What lipstick are we doing today? I always do nude, always. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. We are going to go dark on the lips today. So we'll start off by using this dark color. We're gonna outline first of all. I think I should do dark all over actually. So yeah, we're gonna do dark lips. Okay, so the lips is dry, so I'm going to use the Mocha from the Zaron Earth palette, and I'm just using my small brush. I'm going in, and then I'm just going to oh, I love this lipstick. So change of plan, I'm just gonna put the eyeshadow all over my lips. Hey, what for what? What a girl. Nah, fam. Nah. Who's coming to take me out, please? Anyways. Okay, so let's do the side. I love this hair. I'm waiting for COVID to be over so I can wear this out and, you know, feel nice again. It's been a while since I've gone out or someone has taken me out. Not cool. Hey, you made it this far. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and all comments are welcome. I'll see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.